I'm excited to introduce the all-new 2021 Toyota Venza. Venza's back, but make no mistake, this is an all-new take on the Venza. Developed by Chief Engineer Saiki, and Saiki-san is the one who brought you the Highlander and the RAV4. The 2021 Venza is built on our TNGA K platform. The new platform allows Venza to achieve stylish crossover proportions, intuitive driving performance, and an overall comfortable ride. Now, as you can see, the new Venza looks like nothing else we have in our entire CUV lineup. The exterior is graceful in design and modern in detail. And every exterior shape is optimized for smooth airflow and aerodynamics. With its 100% hybrid, 100% all-wheel drive powertrain, Venza achieves unparalleled fuel economy with an estimated 40 combined MPG without sacrificing safety or performance. And with 219 horsepower, Venza offers smooth acceleration, stable and predictable handling, and all with a comfortable cabin. So what does that mean for our customers? Well, it means that when they get behind the wheel, they're gonna have the confidence to travel further and see more in comfort and style with a world of technology at their fingertips. And check this out. Now, I love that Stargaze panoramic roof. How cool is that? A first for Toyota, Stargaze uses electrochromatic glass technology that can switch instantly between transparent and frosted with just the touch of a button. Now, when frosted, the Stargaze brightens the interior, giving it an even more open and inviting feel. And when transparent, the glass still cuts nearly 100% of UV light. Now, as Bob mentioned, safety is paramount for Toyota. Like the new Sienna and every vehicle in our lineup, Venza comes standard with Safety Sense 2.0. And blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert is standard on all grades. The 2021 Venza will be available in LE, XLE, and limited grades, and will go on sale this summer. So, that's it for my driveway. Bob, why don't you take it home, so to speak?